So, good morning, sir. This is our emergency generator room. Normally, in case of blackout, emergency generator will automatically start, so we don't need to operate it. But just in case ship system failed to start automatically the emergency generator, we need to operate it manually. We have two starting procedure. One is using battery and second by using hydraulic power. Now in the auto, push to manual, then start engine. Only 2 steps for battery operation. Manual, then start. Can I have a volunteer? Push. Push muna. Start. Only 2 steps. Manual, then start. So second, we have hydraulic operation. So for hydraulic procedure, we have 3 steps. First, again, push to manual. Manual, then as you can see this is our hydraulic starting system. By pumping this lever, you can build pressure. Now already okay. Then pull the lever downwards. Then it will start. Ako, sir, ah. Just in case you cannot stop emergency generator by using this button, you can use this. Until stop. For us to be able to supply power to this consumer, to emergency motors and other emergency equipment, we need to switch this bus tie change. Now, in the middle means automatic. So, in case of blackout, it will automatically close the circuit breaker. But in case of emergency, after starting emergency generator, check condition. If all okay, switch this to EG side, emergency generator side. Switch. After switching to EG side, then we will have power to this emergency switchboard. Then we can have power to emergency lightings and the lights. Start emergency generator, then EG side.